So we got tons and tons of chatter about Blue Ivy's dress on the Mufasa premiere. I think that's how you say it, right? Mufasa? Like, I really know. So let's take a look. Okay, this is what I have to say. At first glance, any woman who takes a first look at Blue Ivy, any person, but I'm going to just go with women, right? Because that's what I am, right? So any woman who looks at Blue Ivy right here, you look at her first glance, she does not look 12. Now, she does not. She does not look 12. I think that's what the issue is. I think women are saying she looks too grown. She looks too mature. She does not look 12 in that outfit. And I'm just going to throw in a little extra in there, and I'm going to say that she doesn't even look comfortable. Like, she doesn't look comfortable because it looks like she's wearing a corset of some kind, and it's pulled really tight on her to lift her bosom, her breast up. Her shoulders are out, a lot of skin is showing. She has a lot of makeup on, and it's just like, yeah, she doesn't look 12. Now, that does not translate into she doesn't look beautiful. I didn't hear not one person say that she doesn't look beautiful, because she does. They're saying she doesn't look 12, because she doesn't. Now, we can even take this to just as a woman's perspective. If you were in church, let's say this is church, because you know everybody go to church, right? If the older women in the church saw Blue Ivy dressed like this, yes, they would probably be pulling Beyonce to the side, like, don't you think that's a little too like mature for her? Now, yeah, Beyonce can come back and say, mind your business, like most mothers do. They're going to tell you, any older woman who says that she looks a little mature or looks a little too grown, to mind their business, because Beyonce obviously approved this dress. We don't even know if Beyonce knew she was going to wear this. You know how these rich people live. We don't know how they live, okay? But I don't think the issue has anything to do with Blue Ivy not looking beautiful. The issue is, when you first look at Blue Ivy, she does not look 12. She looks, I was wondering, like, wow, how old is she? Like, my brain was like, how old is she? That's the first question. The question says, how old is she? Then clearly, she looks a lot older than what she is. She's 12, and I don't know if they got stilettos on her. She got on platforms. She that tall. She looks really tall. And she has a lot of makeup on. Just lots of makeup on. The whole ensemble just looks like a look for probably a little bit older. She does not look 12. Now, I can't stand the fact that everybody on here is basically saying that anyone who just says that she looks a little grown or look a little older, looks a little too mature for her age, that translates into you saying that she don't look beautiful. See, we don't even know how to communicate anymore out here, and we don't even know how to communicate and understand. I don't think anybody said she didn't look good or she didn't look pretty. What women are saying, we're gonna kick this to women, because I don't know what men, I don't know what y'all be doing, man, because y'all need to just go somewhere. Like, y'all need to just shut up. Anybody talking to no men, but we talking about women here, right? So women are definitely gonna say, well, yeah, she looks grown. She looks a little too grown, and she doesn't look 12. And you need to be careful with that, mom. But you know, mothers don't like to hear nothing from nobody. So if this was church, I can see Beyonce telling women to mind their business. Don't tell me what to do with my child. That's what this is about. This is acting like, I feel like I'm at church or something, talking about this little girl's dress. Doesn't look 12. She does not. So anybody else got something to say? They just lying. You can lie all you want and be like Sherry Shepherd and suck up, because you know Sherry Shepherd trying to stay in the good graces of Beyonce anyway. She is not going to say what I just said. Somebody like Sherry Shepherd's not gonna say what I said. She's not gonna say the real truth. You know damn well Sherry Shepherd looked at Blue Ivy and said to herself, "Oh shit, how old is she?" She ain't gonna tell me that. I'll tell Sherry to her face, you know you lying, because she is lying. But she gotta be fake. She gotta suck up, because she don't want that Bayhive to come. She don't want Beyonce to come for her. If she bumps into them somewhere, because she's a part of that world. But that's on the outside. We're gonna look in and we're gonna be like, yeah, she don't look 12. She don't look 12. And that's my take on it. I'm not going to be fake. I'm not going to look at this and be like, well, she looks so beautiful. So beautiful. Yeah, we didn't say she didn't look beautiful. We said she don't look 12.